Hi, I'm Rob here with Cameron to show you how easy it is to install our safe slider double bolt lock. All that's needed is your drill, 1/8" drill bit, and a Phillips tip bit. First step is to position your latch into the door jamb and pre-drill your 3 holes. After you've pre-drilled your holes, now you can set your screws. Alright, now that you have your latch secured, firmly close your door against latch. Now we're ready to install the double bolt lock. Remove your nylon cover, position the double bolt lock. Close your lock onto the latch to get it aligned. Now that we have the lock centered on latch, let's pre-drill 1 hole. Let's set 1 screw to hold our lock in position. Now that we have our screws in, we're ready for your last step, placing the nylon cover and snapping on. Now that your safe slider lock's installed, this is how easy it works.
Good job.